Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We have a tire on our Toyota Camry that just keeps deflating, and over a 2-week span, it's lost about 15 to 20 PSI. In this video, we're going to show you why. All right, YouTubers outside, we're working on our Toyota Camry, and unfortunately, the driver's side rear tire, it just keeps going low, and the normal PSI is 32, and let's test it. And it's been about 3 days now. It's down to about 21, so it is a slow leak. However, it's a leak and we need to address it. First thing I recommend, inspect the entire radius of your tire. Make sure you don't have anything that has punctured your tire, whether it's a sharp rock, a screw, or a nail. And once you inspect the entire radius and you find nothing, well, it's possible that you have a rim leak. And alloy rims are more likely to have a leak as opposed to your normal or standard traditional steel rims. And as you can see, I don't have a steel rim. So what I did last time I got new tires is I had the shop add that product paste that goes the entire radius of the rim, and it creates an additional seal. However, that did not do anything. Now we need to address our Schrader valve inside here. Let's go grab the tire tackle kit. In front of me now is our tire tackle kit. You can purchase this for a few dollars at your local AutoZone. Inside here, a couple Schrader valves, and this little creative and unique tool we will use. You've got your pressure gauge and a few caps. So the first thing we need to do is drain the air out of the tire for safety purposes. You got a couple different options. One tip of this tool, you can just push in on that inner point there and drain the tire. Once you get the tire completely flat, as you can see, ours is completely flat, grab the 4-way tool here, and the point that has that little cutout, that is going to go inside your threaded tip here, and it's going to grab a hold of the inner core. Some people call it the valve core, some people call it the Schrader valve. And just carefully unscrew it to the left, and that inner part will come out. And there it is. As you can see here, it has a red gasket, and that helps create that airtight seal. Let's grab a brand new one out of our tire tackle kit and inspect it. Make sure there's no dirt, grime, or moisture on it, and insert it by hand. I'll show you what it looks like in there. Not sure, it's just a completely empty hole. Screw it all the way in, grab that tool, align it properly as you can see, and carefully screw it in. It should go in extremely conveniently and smoothly. If it doesn't, you've got it cross thread. Go ahead and back it out and realign it. You do not want to cross thread these valves into these inserts. You don't want to over tighten it, but you want it pretty snug. From here, I'll fill up the air compressor and fill up the tire. Got my Craftsman 125 PSI air compressor. It's time to fill that tire up. Test it. It's going to be 32 PSI is what we're looking for, and we're just shy. Just a little high, let a little bit out. Right there. Now what I want to do is put my ear real close and just listen for any leaks. I do not hear any, which is good. And now the real test. I will wait a few days. I'll come back out here and I will check the tire pressure and see if that brand new core is working. All right, YouTubers, it's been 2 days. Let's check this out. Go ahead and remove the cap. And yes. Oh, that's awesome. Make sure no debris is on the inner portion of your cap, and go ahead and re-secure this cap. And YouTubers, don't be shocked if that's your issue. Those internal cores, unfortunately, hey, they wear out, and that is normal. However, as you can see, this was an extremely quick, friendly DIY project. Didn't cost us much money, just that tire tackle kit from our local AutoZone. And this is something you can do within a few minutes. So hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. And one more thing, in the event that you do find a screw or nail on the internal portion of your tire, I've got a step-by-step video video on how to properly and safely insert a plug. And that video will be scrolling above right now, so definitely check that out.